Hello everyone, every tip I'm going to give you comes from technicians who work at a well-known appliance repair shop in the city, so don't worry, we're going to find the solution here. When your Samsung stove shows the SE code, don't panic, this error is more common than it seems. At the shop, we've inspected several units with this problem, and we've also checked forums and customer feedback to explain what it means and how to fix it practically. For example, many customers come in saying things like, I press any button and SE shows up immediately. I can't turn anything on or program anything. Others mention that the error appears intermittently, which gives us the first clue that it could be a contact issue with the buttons or a communication problem with the control board. In fact, the first thing we check is the control panel and its internal connections. With daily use, dust, cooking grease, or liquid spills can create false contacts or interfere with the button touch. One customer told us, I carefully cleaned the panel and secured the wires, and the error disappeared temporarily. As one of our technicians says, if the touch panel doesn't send the correct signal to the board, the stove throws SE. Many times, a simple adjustment or cleaning the contacts fixes everything. We also check the main control board, because even if the buttons are working, the board can misinterpret the signal or have a small internal fault, especially if the stove has experienced a power surge. Some customers on forums mentioned that after replacing the board, the SE disappeared completely, which shows that sometimes the solution requires more than just cleaning the panel. Additionally, we evaluate the safety sensors. Some Samsung stoves have sensors that detect overheating or oven lock conditions. If these sensors send incorrect information, the console interprets it as a fault and displays SE. In several cases, customers told us, after the technician replaced a faulty sensor, the stove worked perfectly again. Even the internal wiring and connectors deserve attention. With heat and daily use, some wires can loosen or get damaged, causing the button signals not to reach the board correctly. At the shop, we've seen customers who thought their stove was broken, and after securing the connectors, cleaning the contacts, and testing everything, the error disappeared immediately. Finally, Samsung technical bulletins indicate that the SE code can appear due to touch panel faults, defective sensors, or connection issues with the board, and they always recommend checking these points first before replacing the entire board. At the shop, we follow this exact procedure because most cases are resolved with simple adjustments, contact cleaning, or wiring inspection.